Hello, I am Prathamesh Salgaonkar and I welcome you all to Kiska Brand Bachega, India's biggest digital celebrity. It's said that winning takes talent, but to repeat takes character. That's exactly what our guests have been doing, winning our hearts one video at a time through their talent and hard work. So please welcome Mr. Nikhil Sharma, also known as Mumbai Nikhil, who is known. And also we have Mr. Nikunj Lutia, also known as Nick, who is known for his unique comic timing. So guys, welcome you on board.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you for having us.
So being a YouTuber is now aspired as a career option by many millennials. However, considering it wasn't a career option until recently, how easy or difficult was it for you to build your own super hit YouTube channel? Can you just walk us through your whole entire content journey?
I think me and Nick, we share a similar story. We both used to be a fan of other YouTubers. I still am, and we both used to attend events.
I'm a fan, bro. So I
Same
still am too.
Same here, man. So we used to attend other YouTubers' events. I have seen his pictures, my picture. We were there in FanFest 2016, 16, na?
Probably the second ever fan fest.
Second or third, whatever. So, and eventually we started making our own content. And now we are here. So we have a similar story, but मेरा पवई में इसका डोंबिवली में.
Republic in Dubai.
Republic of Dombivli, yeah.
Even you guys started your own journey. You started your own channel at 2013 and you were 2014. So you were you entered into the digital era when it was not so common and it was not that that much entertained by the YouTuber in India that time.
So I started actually on 2013 too, but I had a different channel which is not Bionic, which is called Not So Funny, and it turned out to be exactly how the name was. So
it also started you and Tushar together.
no, Tushar came into picture super late.
Okay.
Like Tushar came after Bionic, and it's just that. So Tushar is one of the team members. So I have a huge team which supports me.
Yeah.
Tushar is also one of them.
Okay.
The whole team. So team building took me 2 years to find the right person, to check if they are available, to check if they have the same passion which I share, and it's difficult to find them. I love them so.
Amazing. So we have figured out few of really fun and cool games. First game is called Heads Up. So I'll just brief you out about the rule.
Yeah.
So basically, each one of you will be given 1 minute and you have to guess the product with the help of a fellow mate. Excited?
Yeah.
Let's start.
Ready? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. ये ना वो ब्रांड है ना जिसका जो ब्रांड का जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है ना सबसे जूना बूढ़ा है.
अरे वो कौन सा है वो?
जो
मुझे मसाला.
हाँ.
कौन सा मसाला है वो? भूल गया मैं.
You're close.
MGM नहीं.
हाँ वही 3 वर्ड है, 3 लेटर है.
मालूम है. ठीक है.
M बराबर था आगे.
MDH. हाँ.
Nice.
MDH. ओह. बस इतना ही बोलना है.
अरे वो दमशराट नहीं खेल रहा हम लोग.
अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ इसको क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
घड़ी को?
हाँ.
घड़ी डिटर्जेंट.
अभी उल्टा क्या?
अच्छा, इसका ना थिएटर में जाएगा तो बहुत ऐड आता है और इरफान खान है उसके ऐड में.
अरे इसका ओहो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट फोन फेंकेंगे तो भी टूटेगा नहीं, ग्लास टूटेगा.
मोटोरोला.
अरे ब्रांड.
अच्छा सॉरी, फोन बोल रहा है तू?
हाँ.
फोन का ब्रांड बोल रहा है ना, नोकिया. तो मोटो पत्थर बोलता था मैं, एक फोन आता था जो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग.
मोटर रॉकर.
हाँ,
रॉकर को पत्थर
ये तू बहुत यूज करता है टॉयलेट क्लीन करने को.
है.
टॉयलेट? अरे नहीं, टॉयलेट
कोक.
अरे क्या कर रहा है? अरे टॉयलेट क्लीन करने को यूज करते हैं वो.
एक्चुअल वाला.
हाँ.
हार्पिक.
हाँ.
पेप्सी बोलता. अभी तो मुझे लगा sarcastic बोल रहा है. ओहो. गुरुजी ने इसका फोन तोड़ा था क्या?
नहीं, मैं
लाल कलर का है. लाल
फोन है क्या?
हाँ. लाल को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
रेडमी.
So with you.
हाँ, लेकिन
इंडिया का टेस्ट. अमूल बटर.
Last one with you.
अरे कटरीना कैफ का एड.
पॉन्ड्स.
अरे पीने वाला रे, पूरा तो सुन ले. वो पीती क्या है वो जूस?
मैंगो ला क्या था वो? फ्रूटी स्लाइस. ऐसे करता फिर.
Amazing, yeah, you guys nailed it.
Yeah. We know each other really well, that's why.
बॉम्बे का लोग.
You guys were like brilliant actors. You wanted to be an actor, if I'm not wrong.
उसमें उतना पैसा नहीं है ना.
पता नहीं यार.
पता
So
नहीं.
now taking a
सुना है.
conversation further. Nikhil, your content revolves around life and vlogging, and Nick, you are the comedy king. So, how do your respective genre, influence brand integration and other collaboration? Also, what kind of association do you look forward in terms of creating viral content?
So, I mean, like, viral content is like a phenomenon like which has been normally used. Whereas there's no such thing called viral content. It's good content. So I feel that whatever I make, I'll try to make it good. So with any brand, I'm like, firstly, I need to be associated to the brands. I must have used it or like I've seen it and I should respect it. That's number one criteria. B is I can, for us, we make sketch comedy videos. So what we do is we generally write a script for a brand. Then what I do, just to make it authentic, I take out the brand from the script and see if the script is still funny. Would I still do it without the brand? If yes, then I put the brand and it's very seamless.
Okay.
And that's why we've never got like any comments saying, hey, sold out है तू तो. मुझे तो नहीं आया पता
मेरे को
नहीं.
शुरू में आता था, कभी-कभी आता है ऐसा. That's normal. See, viral content, it's so 2015 and 16. Now there is no such thing as viral content. Now there is like impressions in the connect and how well you are putting that thing in your videos and how much people are appreciating and liking your content. And it should be family friendly content. This thing exists now.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I've seen from a video that initially you were more into riding, biking, and now you have converted it into more life commentary and then giving.
I'm still into
inspiration
riding.
and- yeah, you are. But then your main focus has been shifted to giving motivation to people,
Yeah.
improving the personality of people. So how come you came up with that kind of content? Was it the requirement of the era, or was it because of that you wanted to do it?
Because there were less places remaining where he's not gone. He's been everywhere.
This is one of the reasons. But the main reason is that when I started, I mean, what I'm doing now is what I was doing before, but not for the audience. So I still like traveling on a bike. I'm always on a scooter in Mumbai. I don't prefer car. For me, time is everything. And the freedom which you get when you're riding a motorcycle and going somewhere, it's next level. I still enjoy it. But the price I've paid after becoming a YouTuber is huge. That I have, when I go and ride on the bike, my main focus is like कि कोई subscriber मिलेगा उसको मिलना है, hi बोलना है. So that way you don't enjoy your riding. So for me, like I still want to go. I still always think of going it. But then now I've developed a fear in me कि मैं किसी को दुखी ना कर दूँ. कोई चेस कर कुछ होना जाए. Audience ने help किया. Audience ने चाहा. Audience ने सब कुछ किया करके यहाँ पर हुआ.
And when this thought came up into your mind that you should have a YouTube channel? What was it, because of the money part, or was it because you wanted to share it with
There was
someone?
no money.
There was no money when we started
There's
actually.
still not that much money
I
on
mean, business.
YouTube.
You saw YouTube as a business point of view, or was it just to share views? Because that time, earlier back then, pre-Geo era, what we call it. So that time, digital was not an approachable method. Because
It was a craze.
Yeah, so for us, like for me at least, like I used to watch a lot of YouTube, and I started making videos because it was fun making. I was already making videos which I was not uploading, just to make fun of other people. Like, so I was like making funny videos, and I was always been a class clown. So that was like fun, and I still tell people that if you don't enjoy doing it, it's not your zone. If you think about, if someone comes up right now, which is not a bad approach too, but if you think about making money out of YouTube and then start a channel, what will happen is it will take you terribly long time to at least be there. Because for me, I remember like 45, 50 videos, and it was still doing like 1,000 views or something, but I was having fun. I was not
that's
like
the most important part people don't understand. You have to, and it is a must, you have to enjoy making your video. Because if you don't, it doesn't really matter getting a lot of views, it doesn't really matter making money. If you're disturbed, what is the whole point of doing something and what is the whole point of making money?
For instance, it's like then, if you're doing it. So for me, I don't do any research. It's just like what is happening to, and I don't watch a lot of content. He knows that I don't watch content. It's because two things will happen if you watch content. A, you will feel that what is happening in this world. ये सब चीज को इतना views क्यों मिल रहा है? Or B, if you like it, even if you don't want to, your subconscious mind tries to imitate it. Like I used to watch Key and Peele a lot. Then I started making videos like that. Then I realized, they live somewhere else. Yeah. That's relatable to them. It's not relatable here. But then again, like for others who does a lot of research and do it, it's all still okay. But I feel then you are doing a job. like quit my job to do this, to do something that I like. So I'll make sure that I do it in my own space with my own friends, with people that I love.
For me, it was not intentional. I used to make videos just for myself to keep it on hard disk so that when I'm old, I'll watch it. When I came back to Mumbai, I was.
So you're watching it now?
Yeah, I still watch it. Oh my God, if I'll upload that video, I don't know how many people will get in trouble. Because half of them are married already. Anyways. So when I came back to Mumbai, one fine day I was watching a video where a guy is riding a motorcycle on a Juhu beach. And I was so fascinated by it. Arey yaar, Juhu beach. अरे मैं गया हूँ 100 बार, but it was कैमरे में देखने का, you know, first time you guys would understand because you guys are the cell phone generation. The first time cell phone हाथ में आया था and we saw ourselves in the frame. I was like, अरे यार मैं दिख रहा हूँ यार, अरे क्या मस्त लग रहा हूँ यार, मैं तो शाहरुख खान लग रहा हूँ, मैं तो सलमान खान लग रहा हूँ. First time वाली feeling, अरे मैं ऐसा दिखता हूँ, that too 0.7 megapixel कैमरे में. And that same feeling I got and I was like यार मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, I have free time and so in the free time में मैं shoot कर सकता हूँ. बिकॉज मुझे कैमरा तो पसंद नहीं था, तो वो करने लगा. एंड देन आई सॉ वन डे सुपरबोन का वीडियो टाइप्स ऑफ यूट्यूबर. आई वाज लाइक अरे यूट्यूबर कोई बिजनेस नहीं है, आई मीन इट इज अ बिजनेस, बट एक अकेला बंदा चालक चलाता है उसको, एंड अकेला बंदा इतना लेके जाता है. आई डिड सम रिसर्च, आई वाज लाइक कि ये करना चाहिए बट मेरे से नहीं होगा, एंड आई वाज सो श्योर मेरे से नहीं होगा. सो माई चैनल वॉज, माई अकाउंट वॉज स्टार्ट इन 2013. हर गूगल अकाउंट यूट्यूब अकाउंट होता है, बट इनिशियली स्टार्टेड अपलोडिंग वीडियोज 2014 के एंड में, रैंडम वीडियोज, नॉट एन इंटेंशन टू बिकम अ यूट्यूबर. 15 में 1-2 वीडियो क्रैक्ड, 16 में I become full serious. So it was पूरा accident था.
So moving on, we have second game proposing to you. That's called 5-second challenge.
Okay.
So basically, I will be giving you products, but then the rule is that I'll be giving you a product category. You have 5 seconds, and you need to come up with the 5 product brands, whichever strikes your mind first. Whoever strikes maximum brands wins the game. So the first category for you is cars.
Cars, Nano, Ferrari, Lamborghini, then Maruti,
Done.
and Civic.
4. Second for you, comedy movies.
Comedy movies. गोलमाल रिटर्न्स, हाँ, अंदाज अपना क्या
Done.
क्या है यार, डिस्ट्रैक्ट किया इसने यार, डिस्ट्रैक्ट किया इसने.
You can have it back. Mobile phones.
Mobile phones, Nokia, Samsung, Redmi, Xiaomi, OnePlus.
नहीं ये तो चीटिंग है यार. हाँ.
1 second extra, but then chalo.
5, huh?
Shampoos.
Head and Shoulder, Dhattriya, Wow.
Done. Shoes.
Aldo, Nike, Reebok, but not. Why not?
सब इजी आ रहा है इसको यार.
Watches.
Oh my God, Tissot, Titan, Reebok.
You already Apple Watch.
अरे Apple Watch.
Okay, those were really quick, Nick. And the winner is.
Winner is Nick.
Thank you.
बोपो लेके जाएगा.
Yes.
तो अब हम अपने जोना
बचता
वाले
है
वीडियो
क्या?
यूज करोगे इसको. ये यूज किया आपने?
किस में?
जोना वाले वीडियो पे?
नहीं, हाँ, मैं बजाया नहीं था ना, मैं तो.
अच्छा. So the next question is, in this era of YouTube, how important is brand collaboration and brand integration?
The most important.
It is very important because see, as you grow, you need, I mean,
Money.
Money is the most important factor, and brand collaboration is okay, not just for the money, and he will agree, because when you get brands, you get recognition, and people appreciate. Okay, if he or she is getting a brand, that means he or she is not just making views. He or she is also making relatable content, which is very important, because in today's generation, today's genre, not just views is important. Arey 30 million, 40 million, 50 million. No, it is also कि तुम्हारा वीडियो देख कौन रहा है. Does your audience have purchasing power or no? Does your audience relate to your whatever you're speaking?
We
Your
only
opinion,
say
honesty?
genuine stuff. Like for me, for instance, I saw one of his videos when he was promoting one T-shirt brand. I bought that T-shirt just because he was promoting it. Lululemon. See, brand integration. That's how it's done.
That's how you pin it. Link नहीं बोल सकता ना.
Yeah. So yeah, I was saying, it's very important because for me, again, like I have a great team along with me. So it's not just me that needs to survive. Like the whole team is only relied on what we do online. So brand promotion, obviously, it gives money. No jokes about it. It's good. Money is good. But then again, like I would never do a brand which I personally feel that it's not good, or like I've not used it. I would not promote anything which I've not used.
So coming on to the last but the most interesting game. This is called Switch. So I'll be giving you lines which you guys are most familiar with, but you have to say it in different genre. For Nick, it is press the bell icon and hit the like button so that you can never miss your update.
Okay.
Like,
What is it now?
Different style. And for you, I'll say it later. So first we'll go with you.
Okay.
Now you have to see this in horror genre.
Horror genre. Okay. कोई आया था, घंटी दबा के गया था, उसको अपडेट मिल जाएगा.
Comic.
अच्छा, मैं क्या बोलता है, आया है ना, अगर तू अभी आ गया ना,
आ गया है.
हाँ तो आ गया तो बेल दबा के जा.
Action.
हो गया.
Okay, that was really good. If anyone is watching, now giving you a tough competition, Nikhil bhai will be
अरे
coming
क्या
in,
करता competition? Acting
And-
इधर अपना.
and your line will be your favorite line. Shukran, alvida.
Oh wow.
Easy.
Wow, how convenient.
How unique.
How convenient. उसको उसका लाइन दे दिया. अब मेरे को बोला press the bell icon.
हाँ.
Okay.
And do whatever with my lovely friends. This you have to say it in action.
शुक्रान, अलविदा, मासलामा, टेक केयर. और एक बात याद रखना, कुछ भी करो, लेकिन उसके बाद डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट माय लवली फ्रेंड्स. अकेले में, वरना फोड़ डालूंगा.
Romantic.
हाँ. शुक्रान, अलविदा, मासलामा, टेक केयर. एंड ऑलवेज डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट माय लवली फ्रेंड्स.
Suspense.
यहाँ तक अगर देख लिया है तो शाबाश. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, शुक्रान, अलविदा, मासलामा, टेक केयर. एंड ऑलवेज डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट दरवाजे के अंदर माय लवली फ्रेंड्स.
Comic.
शुक्रान, मासलामा, टेक केयर, गार्नियर.
Pioneer and do whatever you want. Our lovely friends.
क्या बोलता पब्लिक?
But stage के पीछे. Horror, suspense horror क्या है? उसके लिए म्यूजिक चाहिए ना. हॉरर म्यूजिक के बिना अधूरा है. फिर भी ये म्यूजिक है. हिम्मत की दाद देता हूं मैं तुम सब की कि तुमने वीडियो यहाँ तक देख लिया, वो भी फुकट में बिना ऐड के, क्योंकि कॉपीराइट लग चुका था. तो अब एक एहसान करना. शुक्रान, अलविदा, मासलामा.
हल्का हल्का डर लगा मेरे को.
डरना जरूरी है.
जरूरी.
Part 3 coming
Part
soon.
3 coming soon.
So guys, this was fantastic. This brings me to the last question, which is the most important one. What does it take to be a digital celebrity?
Takes a few bits of muscles.
New branded jacket.
Some good hair. New branded jacket and designer shoes.
Designer shoes.
With label M and T-shirt. कब मिल जाएगा पैसा?
नहीं, सबके सब थोड़ी बोली.
And with that, we have come to an end of this episode. That was Mumbai Nikhil and Beginning for you. Hope you have enjoyed this episode. This is Prathamesh signing off.
ये YouTube पे आएगा? लाइक करके जाओ हमारे लिए.
शेयर करो.
शेयर कर सकते हो, अच्छे कमेंट कर सकते हो,
और सब्सक्राइब करो निखिल और यूनिक.
मुंबई का निखिल.
मुंबई का निखिल.
बी यूनिक.
You want to end this with your style?
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड इंटरव्यू. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आपको ये इंटरव्यू वीडियो बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. कुछ नई नई बातें सीखने को मिलेगी. अगर नहीं मिली, नॉट एन इशू, और कोई इंटरव्यू आएगा उसमें देख लेना. बट फॉर नाउ, विद दैट सेड, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो विद 4:4 कैमरा सेटअप. एज ऑलवेज, शुक्रान, अलविदा, मा सलामा, टेक केयर एंड डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट. आवर लवली फ्रेंड्स.
All lovely friends.
कैबिन क्रू और सलमान खान का मिक्सचर.
Thank you.
Thank you.
जो भी अभी फिलहाल ट्रेडिशनल मीम्स एंड मोड से प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, दे आर गोना सून शिफ्ट टू सोशल मीडिया, बिकॉज यू नो बेस्ट थिंग इज हियर यू गेट टू सी द रिपोर्ट्स इन 1 or 2 days.
Yeah.
कि
You can see the
किसने
analytics and the numbers,
वो
कितना reach
instantly
गया
पता
है,
चलता है
पता चल जाता
something.
है.
कितना swipe ups आया,
Organic
मतलब you can
होता
see.
है.
Yeah.
Yeah.